Maybe a bit out of range with my Swedish Remington rolling block. This rifle is made in 8x58R Danish, or 8x50R Danish Krag cartridge. I wanted to show you some features. A stock disc on it. Numbers on the butt. It has the year that it was converted. Oh no, that's not it. This is the year converted right here. It's also up here. And this is the number, and then it's got these numbers on this side. And then go to the other side.
Yeah, but if I dial it in at 100, I'm good.
It has a different set of matching numbers here. And up here. It's a really beautiful gun. It's got a ladder sight on it. It's got an adjustable front sight. It's a flip-up sight. It has a battle sight.
Hey, I don't
and
think those 22s are
it's
good.
Really a beautiful gun. I just thought I'd give you some details. And I have the other camera set up for shooting. And we'll go back to the other camera. Maybe 76 out of range with my Swedish rolling block. This rifle is chambered in 8x58R Danish, and I'm using a 216 grain bullet, size to 326 diameter, which is the groove diameter of this rifle. It is a 4590 case that has been resized to the 8x58R Krag, Danish Krag round, I guess you'd call it. This is a really beautiful example of a rolling block made in Sweden. It's got really good wood on it. It's typical of your Remington rolling blocks. It's got the ladder sight. I just took my first shot with a test load, and my start load was H4198 at 23 grains, and my saw length is 3 inches, 0.85 thousandths. Now, I just trying to figure out the overall length for this bullet. I could push this thing all the way, have this bullet all the way out till it barely goes in the neck, and it would still chamber. So the chamber on this is pretty generous. My speed on the first shot was 1,367 feet per second, which is way too slow. I've got 27 cases here, 26 left, and I'm just going to shoot them up, and the next time I'm going to bring the powder load up. These also have cotton ball over the powder to hold it down on the primer and see if I can get
1 minute to ceasefire, 1 minute.
less deviation in my speed. So the first load, 1,367 feet per second, the first shot. I have somebody right next to me shooting, so my camera is going to be behind me. And after the ceasefire, I'll run some more rounds down range and see what we got going on. Okay, there won't be much commentary since the camera is behind me, but at least you can watch me shoot, and then we'll go from there, because all of the action that's going on next to me, it's just going to be me shooting, and I'll give you a summary at the break.
So do you want to go to the country club?
We probably shouldn't.
Yeah.
You tell them?
Oh yeah, Margaret.
1,399 people.
Dad. Do you hear Brendan? Just last night, and we were.
1325.
I was about to say.
No. Not
Jeez.
but
Okay.
we've been with her the past few nights.
Showing symptoms and all that? She's been.
1327.
And like she's been thinking that her allergies have been acting up, but she said, I remember last time she dropped us off at the my allergy meds aren't working. So I got to take the test.
1342.
I'm ready to drink a whole gallon of water now. We have to lift it up again.
All right, we got 5 rounds downrange, and we'll wait for the break, and I'll go down and show you what we got.
Did you go up?
Well, there's my first shots. The grouping is really nice. The speed is way too slow. I had it set at 300 meters, and I'm going to bring it up to 400 meters and do some more shots. The speed range, if you didn't hear me calling it out, it's in the 1300s feet per second. My buddy here suggests I bring the load up from 23 grains of H4198 to 27 grains. And I will do that the next time out. I'm going to cast some more bullets, and I'm not going to powder coat them. And we'll see how that works. Okay, so we're going to do some more shooting. Alright, we're going to try it again. I raised the elevation up to 400 meters. And I'm going to do some more shooting. And then we'll go down range. I don't know how many I'm going to shoot, but you can watch me do it. I'm going to look through the glass and adjust the sights accordingly. And then I'll take you down range and we'll see what it did.
And it's right at the base of my skull, so if I have any severe night,
Checking to make sure the camera's working, and it is.
and I don't want to set up him. You know how crazy he'd go if I was an extra? Nah, he'd go in. He said, keep your son for sure. He'll make comments on it. He'll make comments on it. As long as you can still push on your wife and duties, I'll take care of you. But, nah, I don't trust him. He's stir crazy.
That's what you do, like
1322.
He just goes stir crazy. He'd start running like 5 miles.
Caitlin. Oh, Caitlin.
The other child.
You want to shoot?
Well,
What kind of? Sam dropped his phone.
What?
It did that. You cracked it or?
1299.
okay. Brendan?
Yeah. Yeah.
What happened?
Over here hitting his, so.
Yeah, we're in one.
Get back to the other one.
1395.
Hey, I don't like that muzzle brake. That's the safety. Get ready to push that down.
You're at the top of the road paper.
What target am I aiming at?
Right in front of you.
Check it out.
Where I hold it?
Huh?
Where I put my second?
I mean, you can put
And the chronograph quit.
like your thumb underneath it, kind of like lock it. When you're shooting off of a scent. Here. You can have, like, this will rest your then your elbows down for stability.
Which one? That one?
Follow the walk, the line of the grass.
Okay, that's 10 rounds down there, 5 rounds with the elevation change. My chronograph stopped working, so I'm going to wait for the break and then fix the chronograph if I can and show you what the group is. Well, there's the next 5 shots with the elevation set at 400 meters, but we're not going to use this load, obviously. It was just a starting point. Thought I'd share this with you today. I'm going to finish out that ammo and I'm going to move on to something else. Navy Vet 76 at the range. Have a good day.